have been touching 5,000 lead.
5,000
My say.
इवन आरजी इज डुईंग वेल कितें रिजन कितें तुमच्या हातून कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन
Yeah, for my during my election also he had RG had got around 3,000.
3,000 सो तेणे तितली
त्याने मेंटेन केल्या. त्याने मेंटेन केलं.
पूण बीजेपीची काय मतां स्विच काँग्रेसीक जाली म्हणटा तुमी काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेटाक
It looks like no. Otherwise, BJP votes and my votes, the lead should have been there to 5,000 to 6,000 lead.
ओके
It has happened. We will inform the CM. Have already informed the BJP president during before the election.
Before the election.
Before the election, I had informed Shripad Naik also, candidate. I had informed the BJP president also. They should put survey, do a survey in actually each and every constituency. I'm telling you, they should do a survey in each and constituency. Central government should do a survey and find out the facts.
हा
मॅडम
म्हणजे सिनियर लीडर
सेंट्रली पळयत जाल्यार ते 400 पार म्हणटाले पण ते 400 पार दिसना.
That I cannot tell about full of India, but my constituency I will tell.
असं टॉकिंग अबाउट युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ओनली मॅडम जी तुम्ही म्हणता की काय बीजेपीचे सिनियर लिडर्सांनी काम करूंक नाका
No comments. No comments.
नो कमेंट्स ऑन
Yeah,
दॅट
thank you.
ओके
Yes. Who's in this?
थँक्यू मॅडम